Okay, so I got this taken care of, welded it in, ground down the welds. Just probably put a plug weld about every 2.5 to 3 inches. Didn't want to overdo it. Welded it to the trunk support, the transition pan, and the inner wheelhouse. Now, like I mentioned before, I haven't welded it to the quarter to the truck drop off just yet, because I want to be able to fit all this up when I start putting the tail panel back together. So that's what's next. Well, actually, what's next is going to be rebuilding these flanges here and here. So I'll have to just cut out some pieces of metal. I made some templates for this a while back that I still have just out of cardboard. So I'll just cut it out of this spare metal that I have. This is toe board patches. I didn't use the whole thing, and I kept these, and I've been using them for random patches quite a bit. So I tend not to throw away metal when I'm done with it, and it comes in handy for patching and whatnot. So that'll get attached to that. On this side, I'm just going to replace this. I'll probably go ahead and make a little piece just to fill in there, just for reinforcement, and go from there. I'll replace those, grind down the welds, and then I'll clamp the tail panel in place and go from there. All right.